Hello，大家好啊！歡迎嚟到我 channel 啦。今日咧就係一個非常之重要嘅日子啦。相信大家都估到噶啦。今日咧就係申請 IELTS 嘅大日子。其實咧去到呢一刻咧都唔係好相信，即係好似發咗一場夢咁。自己一定由香港移民嚟到英國，仲要可以身處到5年。其實唔理嗰個 IELTS 最後嗰個結果係點啦，我覺得其實已經都贏咗噶啦。係啊。anyway，今集咧主要咧就係想同大家即係講翻成個申請 IELTS 嘅過程啦。我會同大家一齊上網遞表去申請嘅。所以咧大家就睇到最後啦。如果大家覺得有用嘅話咧，記得都 like、share 同 subscribe 啦。好，事不宜遲，我哋就開始今日要講嘅主題啦。大家咧首先就嚟到 BNO Visa 嗰個 official page 啦。嚟到呢個 page 之後咧，大家見到有個叫做 Settle in the UK 嘅 hyperlink 嘅，就 click 落去啦。click 完落去之後咧，如果大家 scroll down 嘅話咧，就會見到有個Start Now 嘅 button 嘅，就撳落 Start Now 啦。跟住咧，佢就會問你Where are you planning to live？我而家就喺 England 啦，所以就揀翻 England 啦。跟住佢就會問你 Do you have a valid European Economic Area British National Overseas Passport？我哋就 BNO 啦，所以咧我哋就會揀翻 Yes 啦。跟住佢就話 Confirm your identity。You will need a passport with biometric chip。其實咧我哋而家填緊呢個表咧就係新表啦。新表咧就喺今年 introduce 嘅。新表同舊表之間嘅分別咧，就係舊表咧就一定要去嗰個 Visa Centre 度打指模嘅。新表咧，其實你基本上如果部電話係有 NFC 嘅話咧，而且係已經係安裝咗呢個 UK Immigration 嘅 app 咧，其實你喺屋企咧就已經可以即係 scan passport 同埋就係即係 upload photo 噶啦。所以就唔需要去嗰個 Visa Centre 度搞嘅。方便咗好多啦。所以咧我哋就撳 continue 啦。係啦。跟住咧佢就會問你your passport has biometric chip。通常咧如果譬如你係啱啱 renew 嗰個 BNO passport 嘅話咧，基本上喺 passport 嘅封面咧就會有呢個 logo 嘅。所以咧我本身就喺近期 renew BNO passport 啦，所以就有呢個 logo 嘅，就 yes 啦。係啦，跟住佢就會同你講話check you can use the app。基本上咧，如果你電話有 NFC 而且係 Android 嘅話咧，都可以用呢個 app 噶啦。iPhone 咧就一定要 iPhone 7或者之後嘅 model 先可以用到啦。跟住就 continue 啦。係啦，呢個就好重要嘅。一定要有呢個 UKVI 嘅 account 啦。相信咧，如果大家之前喺英國咧有揾過工或者係即係有交過 tax 嘅話咧，基本上一定係有呢個 UKVI 嘅 account 嘅。因為大家都係要 log in 入去嗰個 account，你先可以即係攞到嗰個 share code 去俾你嘅 employer 睇嘅。所以點都會有呢個 account 嘅。如果大家即係已經係唔記得嗰個 login password 嘅話咧，就要去翻 UKVI 嗰個 website 度，就再即係 reset 個 password。同時間咧都會即係喺 description 度咧就會放翻 UKVI 嘅 link 俾大家去搞啦。但係咧我哋就有嗰個 UKVI 嘅 password 喺度嘅，我而家就 login 俾大家睇啦。如果大家冇嘅話咧，就要 create 翻一個 account 啦，就要撳呢個 create an account 去 create 啦。因為我本身係有嘅，所以就 sign in 啦。跟住佢就會問 Which identity document do you use to sign in your UKV account？因為我本身係 passport 嘅，我就揀翻 passport 啦。如果你係 BRP 嘅話咧，就揀翻 BRP 啦。就打翻個 passport number 啦。跟住就係 date of birth。跟住就問你你想點樣攞嗰個驗證碼啊？就 send email 定係 text message 啊？我 text message 啦。跟住翻個驗證碼啦。 好啦，跟住咧，大家就見到啦，咁佢呢度咧就寫咗 your form 啦，咁就有 settlement 喺度啦，咁就開始嗰個 application 啦，咁就撳落 start application 啦。咁跟住咧，佢就有幾個 point 啦，咁就 identity and contact 啦，prepare application 啦，pay and submit application 啦，同埋就係 visa center appointment 嘅。咁 visa center appointment 咧，大家可以 ignore 咗佢，因為其實咧我哋而家填緊嗰份咧就係新嘅 form 啦。咁所以咧就唔需要去 visa center 度打指模嘅。咁基本上咧，大家集中填頭嗰三 part 咧就已經足夠噶啦。咁啊，我哋而家就開始填啦。咁啊，第一啦就係 your location 啦，咁就撳入去啦。跟住佢就問你 Are you in the UK now？咁啊，填翻 Yes，I'm in the UK 啦。因為其實咧 IELTS 嗰個 application 咧，大家都係一定要喺英國境內去申請嘅。咁如果大家即係喺申請期間咧，突然之間離開英國嘅話咧，咁基本上大家嘅 application 咧都會 withdrawn 嘅。咁所以我諗應該都係要填翻 Yes，I'm in the UK 嘅。咁我而家就填翻 Yes，I'm in the UK，Yes，I'm in the UK 啦。好啦，跟住撳 continue 啦。咁跟住咧，佢就會問你 immigration advisor 啲 details 啦。咁就問你有冇用移民嘅顧問啊咁樣啦。咁因為我本身咧就係自己一個填 form 啦，咁就冇用到 immigration advisor 啦，咁所以就填翻 no 啦，continue 啦，continue。好啦，跟住佢就問你 contact preferences 啦，跟住可以用咩 email 去聯絡你啊？咁我就揀翻我自己個 email 啦。咁如果大家有其他 email 嘅話咧，就可以 choose a different email 啦。跟住問埋你嗰個電話號碼啦，咁啊我就揀翻我自己嗰個啦。咁如果有其他電話咧，大家都可以揀 choose a different phone number 嘅。跟住佢就問你嗰個 address 啦，咁就問你嗰個地址啦。咁啊佢話我哋可唔可以send letter 俾你啊？咁啊我就係啦，填翻 yes 啦。咁跟住就打翻地址啦，咁就係跟住就叫你check your answers 啦。咁如果大家覺得係啲答案係正確嘅話咧，咁就撳 continue 啦。好啦，跟住去到下一 part 啦，咁就 personal details 啦，咁就填翻你嗰個 gender 啦，咁就 male 啦，country of birth Hong Kong 啦，跟住就問你啊，你個 home address 係咪呢個啊咁樣，跟住你就話 yes 啦。When did you start living in this address？跟住你就填翻。咁about your home 你係租定係買㗎咁樣，咁你就填啦。填完地址之後咧，就去下一步啦，咁就 immigration status 啦。跟住佢就問你啦，what immigration permission were you most recently granted？咁我相信咧，大家都係即係 BNO visa 嘅 holder 啦，咁所以就係 BNO status holder 啦。咁如果大家係 dependents 嘅話咧，咁就揀翻 family member 啦。咁但係因為我本身係本人嚟嘅，咁所以就係揀翻第一個 option。咁 continue。咁跟住佢就問啦，Do you know the end date of your current or last period of permission？咁呢個咧，大家其實可以 log in 翻你自己本身 UKVI 個 account 啦。咁 UKVI 個 account 咧，當你撳入去嗰個 eVisa 嗰度嘅話咧，佢其實係會有個 expiry date 俾大家去睇嘅。咁呢度咧，佢都有個 hyperlink 俾大家啦，咁就可以直接撳呢個 hyperlink log in 翻嗰個 UKVI account 咧，大家就可以見到嘅。咁我本身就已經睇咗啦，咁所以我就會揀翻 yes 啦。跟住佢就要你入翻佢嗰個 permission end date 啦，咁我就入翻啦。咁跟住佢就會問你有冇 other 嘅 home office application 啦，咁我本身就冇嘅，咁所以就填翻 no 咯。咁啊，再 check check 你啲答案啦，咁就睇下啱唔啱啦。啱就撳 continue 啦。好啦，咁啊去到呢個 step 咧，咁大家需要 download 翻一個叫做 UK Immigration ID Check 嘅 app 啦。 咁啊，其實咧個過程咧就非常之簡單啦，咁就唔需要去到 Visa Centre 去打指模噶啦。咁大家要確保自己部電話咧就一定要有 NFC 啦。咁我哋而家就撳 Continue 啦。咁跟住咧，佢就再問多你一次，究竟你嗰個 passport 有冇呢個 biometric 嘅 chip 啦？咁基本上新嗰啲 passport 咧都係有呢個 biometric chip 噶啦。咁所以咧就撳翻 Yes 啦，跟住撳 Continue 啦。咁有冇電話啊？咁有冇 NFC 啊？佢就問多次啦。跟住又係撳 Yes 啦。咁跟住咧，我哋就要 download 個 app 啦。咁佢呢度就有個 link 俾你啦。咁就 App Store 同 Google Play Store 都有嘅。咁我而家就 download 翻個 app 啦。咁 download 完嗰個 app 之後咧，咁大家咧就係需要 scan 翻嗰個 QR code 啦。咁就用翻你部電話，咁就 scan 嗰個 QR code。咁 scan 完之後咧，佢喺個 app 度咧就會 prompt 啦，咁就會問你究竟你係想收 SMS 定係email 啊？咁就佢就會 send 翻一個confirmation code 俾大家嘅。咁我就收 SMS 啦。係啦，咁我頭先咧就喺 App 度入咗嗰個 confirmation code 啦，咁之後咧大家就見到一個新嘅版面啦，就係叫做 You are connected to the app，咁就已經係connect 咗噶啦，咁所以咧大家就可以繼續你哋嘅申請啦。咁呢度咧就撳翻 sign in 啦，咁 sign in 之後咧，跟住佢就問你究竟係 passport 定係咩啊？咁又係做翻頭先嗰個 procedure 啦。咁做完晒成個 procedure 之後咧，咁佢就會彈咗呢個 page 出嚟啦。咁就係同你講翻 identity information submitted。咁當佢有呢個 page 之後咧，咁大家就知道自己嗰個 verification 咧係 successful 噶。咁之後咧，大家就撳翻 continue 啦。跟住就係出翻去頭先嗰個版啦。咁大家就見到啦，confirm your identity 嗰 part 咧就已經 completed 啦。咁跟住咧就去翻 other names and nationality 啦。咁大家如果之前曾經改過名嘅話咧，咁就剔翻 yes 啦。如果唔係嘅話，正常嚟講都係剔翻 no 嘅。咁跟住咧，佢就問你identity card 啦。咁 identity card 咧呢度咧就要填翻即係香港身份證嘅資料啦，因為佢同你講翻係 issue from non-UK government 啦。咁所以咧就 yes 啦。跟住就填翻你嗰個香港身份證號碼啦。跟住 issuing authority 咧，咁就填翻 Hong Kong 啦。跟住 issue date 啦，咁就 issue date 咧就要睇翻身份證上面嗰個嘅簽發日期啦。expiry date 咧身份證就冇嘅，咁所以就唔使填啦。咁跟住咧，佢就問你有冇 other nationalities 啦。咁如果大家有特區護照嘅話咧，咁就要填翻 yes 啦。咁跟住就要填翻即係你本身係乜嘢 nationality 啦。咁所以呢度咧就填翻啦。如果仲有嘅話咧，咁就yes 啦。如果已經係放棄咗嘅話咧，就 no 啦。好啦，跟住出翻嚟啦，咁呢 part 咧就已經 complete 咗噶啦，跟住就去 second part 啦，咁就prepare application 啦，咁就 family and relationships 啦，咁do you have a partner 啦，咁single 啦，咁就 no 啦。之前有冇曾經結過婚啊，或者係 civil partnership 啊？如果冇嘅話咧，咁就填 no 啦。跟住撳 continue 啦。好啦，跟住就係 linking code for family members 嘅。咁因為我本身就冇啦，咁就 no 啦。咁如果大家有嘅話咧，咁就要填翻 yes 啦。咁填 yes 之後咧，大家就需要入翻即係 family member 嘅個人資料啦。 咁就喺呢一 part 度入啦。咁啊，我填 no 啦，跟住咁 continue 啦。跟住呢 part 咧就好重要嘅，咁就要填翻 travel history 啦。咁啊，因為之前咧都曾經旅居過啦，咁所以呢 part 咧我都係要即係花一段時間。好啦，咁頭先咧就填咗個 travel history 啦。咁啊，我本身個 travel history 都相當長啦，因為之前都有 remote job 啦，咁所以就即係都去過唔少地方嘅，咁所以咧都要慢慢填啦。咁啊，相信即係大家都會有即係出過境啦，或者去過旅行啦。咁如果有嘅話咧，都記得要 mark 低。最好咧就 keep 翻啲 boarding pass 啊，或者係 travel history，咁就即係方便填 form 嗰陣時咧就可以攞出嚟睇啦。咁啊，填完個 travel history 之後咧，下一 part 咧就係 details of the time in the UK 啦。咁跟住咧，佢就會問你UK National Insurance Number 啦，咁就入翻嗰個 National Insurance Number 啦，跟住撳 Continue。咁之後就問你有冇 UK Driving License 啦，如果有嘅咁就答 Yes，冇就 No 啦。咁跟住咧就會問你有冇access 個 public funds 啦，咁如果有嘅話咧，咁就 Yes 啦。咁我哋大部分即係 BNO Visa 人士咧，我相信應該都即係冇 access 個 public fund 啦。其實係有得去申請嘅，咁但係咧。相信好多人咧都係冇申請嘅，咁所以咧就答 no 啦。跟住再 check 一 check 自己啲答案啱唔啱啦。咁如果啱嘅話咧就 continue。好啦，咁就complete 咗呢個details of the time in the UK 啦，跟住就係 live in the UK test 啦。咁有冇 exam 到啦？咁我哋就冇啦，我哋係有 take 嗰個 course 嘅，咁所以咧就答 no 啦。跟住就問你有冇 pass 到啦，咁你就答 yes 啦。跟住就要揾翻 Live in the UK Test 嘅 reference number。咁相信咧之前 Live in the UK Test 考完之後咧，佢都有 send email 俾大家嘅。咁啊，只要入翻去睇翻個 reference number 咧，咁就可以噶啦。咁啊，reference number 咧都相當之長啦，咁所以咧建議咧大家咧都係唔好自己人手打，copy paste 就比較好少少。填完啲答案之後咧，咁就又係咁 continue 啦。跟住就問你喺英國有冇犯罪啊，或者係有冇曾經係有案底之類啊？咁睇翻啦，有冇俾人 refuse visa 啊，或者係有冇俾人 deport 啦？咁我就冇嘅，咁所以就答翻 no 啦。有冇犯罪啊？有冇做啲咩非法行為啊？咁呢啲等等咧都係冇啦，咁所以就係答翻 no 啦，又係 no 啦，冇 penalty。咁啊呢啲就係恐怖分子活動啦，咁呢啲真係冇啦，咁所以就係答冇啦，跟住咁 continue。極端組織嘅有冇參與極端組織啊？咁又係冇啦。跟住問翻你少少 employment history 啦，咁就有冇參與過 armed forces 啦，有冇參與過軍隊啊，或者係政府部門啊？咁呢啲我就冇啦，咁所以都係答翻冇啦。再對一次答案啱唔啱啦？咁就 no 啦，no。 嗯，好啦，跟住係咁 continue 啦。咁跟住咧就係 English language 啦，English language ability 啦。咁啊，應該係問翻同你考英文 test 有關嘅問題啦。咁 Have you provided evidence of your English language ability in a successful in a successful application？咁冇啦，咁所以就答 no 啦。咁跟住佢就會講翻，即係大家係需要 pass English test 啦。咁呢度有提過啦，呢個之前都有提過啦。咁就就係嗰個 Trinity College 嗰個 test 嘅。跟住係咁翻 continue 啦。咁呢度咧我就係考英文試啦，咁所以就係揀 approve English language test 咯。咁跟住咧呢度就打翻 Trinity College London 啦。跟住就要揾翻個 reference number 出嚟啦。咁就第一次答案啦，咁就 check check 啦。好啦，跟住就係account security questions 啦。咁呢度咧就要入翻啲安全提問啦。咁啊呢個隨你嘅啫，你哋可以任揀嘅。咁佢就有個 option，有啲 options 俾大家揀啦。咁大家可以自揀翻。嗱，去到呢一刻咧，基本上咧都差唔多完嘅。咁就應該係仲差呢個 declaration 啦。咁填完 declaration 之後咧，就基本上俾錢，跟住就可以 upload evidence 噶啦。咁就已經完㗎啦。咁我哋而家就入去睇下 declaration 講啲咩啦。咁呢啲都係講翻啲即係基本嘅 regulations 啦。咁就叫大家唔好犯法啦，同埋就係即係啦，都係唔好做一啲即係非法嘅嘢啦。咁基本上都係咁嘅啫。咁啊，如果睇完之後大家覺得 OK 嘅，咁就咁 confirm 啦。咁跟住咧就係 continue。咁啊，如果大家已經睇清楚所有嘢嘅話咧，咁就咁 continue 啦。因為其實咧過咗呢版之後咧，咁大家咧就唔可以更改任何嘅答案嘅。咁所以咧，大家切記一定要睇清楚晒所有答案先至咁 continue。咁啊，因為我頭先咧就已經 double check 咗啦，咁就大致上所有嘅 answer 咧都係啱嘅，咁所以我先係咁 continue。好，跟住去再同大家 confirm 多一次啦。咁就 by sending this application, you confirm that to the best of your knowledge and belief the following is correct。咁就問多你一次啦，就係所有嘅嘢係咪啱㗎？係咪正確㗎？咁樣。咁如果 confirm 嘅話咧，咁就 pick 翻即係自己係18歲以上啦，跟住就 continue。好啦，跟住咧我哋就 pay and submit application 啦。咁去到呢一版咧，就基本上已經完㗎啦，成個 form。咁就交錢，交完錢之後咧，咁就等結果㗎啦。咁所以咧，大致上成個 IELTS 嗰申請嗰個過程咧就係咁嘅。咁啊，希望即係盡快有 decision 啦。咁我本身咧就應該會買快證啦。好啦，咁我哋 next step 就 payment 啦，跟住 continue 啦。咁啊，原先以為咧，12點咧就可以有快醒啦。咁但係咧，因為英國咧 就行緊呢個夏令時間啦，咁所以咧就要等多1個鐘頭。咁啊1點之後咧，咁就見到有快證啦，咁大家就可以申請啦。咁啊，希望今次呢條片幫到大家啦。如果幫到大家嘅話咧，咁就記得 like、share 同 subscribe。咁我哋下集再見啦，拜拜。